Hello everyone, here we arrive again with the fifth test for aniline that was remaining. So that is a very simple test. You know the reaction in your theoretical syllabus also, that is reaction with bromine water. Okay, we have two aromatic compounds that is our in our syllabus to react with bromine water. One is the phenol. You know, in carbon disulfide medium it mainly gives the monosubstituted, that is orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. But when we use polar medium like bromine water, then due to the activated ring, due to the resonance of the lone pair of oxygen with the ring, it is so activated that in polar medium it undergo tri-substitution and we get 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Exactly the same thing happens with aniline. When we take aniline, that nitrogen lone pair that is in resonance with the ring, and this ring is highly activated towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So when we add bromine in aqueous medium, then it undergoes substitution at ortho and para, and it gives you 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. This 2,4,6 tribromoaniline or 2,4,6 tribromophenol, due to its very high molecular weight, they give you precipitate. So for aniline, it gives a characteristic precipitate that is pinkish white. So you don't need to even heat, you don't need higher temperature. Only at room temperature the ring is so much activated that it immediately reacts with the bromine water and give you an immediate pinkish white precipitate. So let us see. And as you know, this aniline is not soluble in water, so we take an aqueous suspension. Okay, so a very little amount of aniline, about 1 ml. Okay, only this much of aniline is sufficient, and we will make an aqueous suspension using about 2 ml of distilled water. Okay, and you have to shake it like a thermometer. So this is our aqueous suspension of aniline, and now we will add dropwise a little excess amount of bromine water. This bromine water will be supplied to you during your exam, but be very careful while dealing with bromine water because this is highly corrosive in nature. Okay, so here we are adding, see, it immediately gives the precipitate. If I add a little more amount, this is a pinkish white precipitate. Here is your precipitate, pinkish white. So in your exam, this experiment will be given that add bromine water dropwise in excess amount to aqueous suspension of aniline. The observation that you will write, a pinkish white precipitate is observed. Okay, so that is all about our aniline. The previous 4 tests are already given, and this one was the last and the 5th test. Thank you.